Gigi Perfectface here, back with another wig review. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Bare Lace Full Lace Wig Unit 1. It claims to be human hair and premium fiber blend. I feel like it's just the premium fiber blend because the human hair, I don't feel like they used a lot of human hair that they claim to be in this wig. So yeah, as far as it being a human blend, I don't really feel like the quality of the hair gives human blend. I would say more so just a better quality synthetic fiber. I also feel like for this wig to be in a ponytail, I do get a lot of shedding with this wig. So that's something to be aware of. I don't know if something got like stuck or I don't know what's going on, but I do feel like I've been getting like a lot of shedding for this hair to be in a ponytail. And then, you know, you can always do any style with this hair because it's full lace all around. Now, I don't feel like they use enough lace around the ear part. This wig doesn't have any tracks. Claims to be able to be worn glueless. I'm not wearing this glueless. I glued this wig down. And I also have the back installed as well. Now I know the back probably look a mess, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. The texture of this wig is silky. It's not really a yucky feeling. Yeah, I definitely feel like it's silky. This is what the hair looks like as of now. It's all in a pony right now. Y'all know I had to do edges all around. Don't mind that little ashiness piece over there. Like, it wouldn't be an install for me if I didn't do edges. This is what the side of the wig looks like on my left side. And I am gonna zoom in on the lace so you guys can see. Look like if I wanted to put it in like a little top knot. I love how this looks. It looks so classy and just effortless. So the pros with me for this wig is I love that you can do any style with it. You can part it in anywhere on the wig. So I do love that. I don't really get how they market this wig to be a 360, but they only put it in the middle part, simple hair, or side part, simple basic style, instead of doing like an updo and letting it be known like, okay, this wig can really be parted and done in any style. But that's why I'm here, because showing y'all what this wig looks like in a different style. Don't mind these ends, y'all. I know they look a little lousy. It's still cute, but it's a little lousy. The ends are a little worn in right now. What I've done was applied some makeup to the back of the wig lace before I installed it. Then it would have looked a lot better, but there's always reinstalls that can be done. Oh, and be very careful. Y'all like to go in and cut the clips inside the wig. I wouldn't recommend, because that can easily cause the wig to tear, and I almost ripped this wig completely. So, but I did rip a little piece. This is the part that I ripped, that I turned into like edges. The lace was supposed to be a little bit more closer up here, but I ripped that part. So this is the area that I ripped. So you guys need to be very careful when I don't feel the clips, but they definitely come with clips. I originally wanted to get the blonde, but I went ahead and got the jet black. This is in the color 1, like I just said. I do love the versatility of this wig for the most part. Like, I will be repurchasing this wig again in the future. Not soon, but however long from now, I wouldn't mind purchasing this wig in a different shade. I watched reviews on this wig, but I didn't really see anyone doing it in like updos and like half up, half down. So I feel like that's the main thing with the 364 lace on this wig. Y'all can see it in my unboxing that I put in the video or on my short section. So I do like the density of the wig when it's all down. Now I wish it could have been a little bit fuller, like while I'm wearing it in its updo. But yeah, y'all know since this is a full lace wig, you can't really add any tracks in it because it's not gonna look right. So yeah, I do wish it was a little bit thicker or in density with the updo look. I don't really have much else to say about it. I didn't film the install process. I'm open to doing a reinstall if y'all want to see that. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If y'all don't subscribe, comment, at least leave a like, because it helps my channel grow and it helps people find these videos. So make sure y'all are doing that, and I'll see y'all in my next video.